Chad Dewey here to help you install your set-top box for television viewing. This video is to help install your wired Lightwave set-top box. Before we start, make sure that the power outlets you use are not connected to a light switch. Some living rooms are wired that way for use with lamps. We will be covering two pieces of equipment, a gateway and the set-top box. Let's start with the gateway. This unit receives the signal from our network into your home. From there, the signal is distributed to internet and television signals. There are two ways to connect the signal from the gateway to the set-top box. The most common way is through an internet cable, and it plugs in here. If you do not have an Ethernet cable, you can connect with a coax cable and it goes here. Now you need to connect to your TV. The most common way is to use an HDMI cable. Some older TVs use a component signal. This cable uses 5 connectors. 3 of these make up the video signal, and they are red, green, and blue. The other 2 are audio and typically are white and red. You plug them in here on the set-top box and then match the colors on the back of your television. If you have any trouble or have any connections different than the one shown here, please give us a call. Thank you for your business. We truly appreciate it.